All right, we're out here on the range. Target is at 100 yards. We're shooting Sierra Match Kings today, 107 grain. As you can see, this is my 18-inch 6.5 Grendel with my can on the end, and then it's got a Zulus HD 5-20 that they sent me. Now, I'm not keeping this optic. They just sent it to me to test out, so I have no affiliation with them. I'm not getting it for free or anything like that. But I thought maybe for me, it might be a good, something to use. I don't have anything that I can use day and night. And then also I record all these videos, so obviously we can record with this, so might be something neat to try out. So that's how you're seeing the target camera there recording. Okay, so this is new to me. This is the first time that I've shot it. We're on 20 power, which is the max magnification, which isn't ideal for me because I usually shoot more magnification, but we're shooting Sierra Match Kings, the load you see up on the screen. The first group here is just going to be with some random stuff here just to try to get our zero on our optic. I did bore sight it. I think we're close, but we're going to find out here. So we'll see how we like this. We'll see if it's something that we're going to use. We'll see if it's not. I think it has a purpose, especially for nighttime stuff. But I don't know if it's going to have a good purpose for this here. All right, so let's see where our first one goes here. Hopefully we're close. It is a little breezy, as you can tell. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so close enough, right? You can see where we hit. Now, what we can do here, supposedly, is let's go to, I assume I can record this. Let's go to settings. So that's changing our reticle color. Let's long press settings here. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. Settings. Okay, now we can move. So apparently let's go into settings. We're gonna go down to zero the reticle. What you do here is we push zero the reticle. Now it shows me a picture of the reticle. Now what I'm gonna do is tap the power button. Okay, now that locked my reticle in place, and now I'm just gonna use these buttons on the top to get us moved to where we need to be for our point of impact. So up is the plus and down is the settings button, which kind of makes sense there if you think about it. It has instructions on there. Long press the left key to save, press the right key to exit without saving. So I'm gonna long press this one. Okay, now we should be fairly zeroed. That was pretty easy, assuming this works. Let's go ahead and load up a couple more. Okay, we're now recording. Again, this is just our sighters here. Let's see where they go. Should be pretty close. All right, one more sighter here, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so we're good to go. I'm just gonna do that same process again and just move us a little closer to our aim point there. So we will pause the recording. All right, so we should be sighted in now, I believe. I think we're gonna go with the yellow reticle there. And now we're gonna shoot our Match Kings, our chipped Match Kings 107 grain Sierras with stay ball match. CCI BR4, 2.3 cartridge overall length with about 15 thousandths jump. Again, you just saw us shoot a few rounds through this. We got 4 rounds through the gun, so it's nice and warmed up. It's nice and fouled because I just washed it, or I just cleaned it out prior to this. And again, we're testing the Zulus here too. So tell me what you guys think about your image quality. About as focused as I can make it. Let's go ahead and we'll shoot our first group here. Our test group. Again, this is an 18-inch barrel, so we're not expecting a ton of speed. but we'll see what we can get. Okay, first group here. We'll see if our zero is still good. Okay, I actually can't see that one. I'm guessing we hit a point of aim, maybe? Let's shoot another one. Okay, I gotta drive over there and see what's going on. Okay, so I don't know what I've done. Again, this optic is new to me, but it appears as if we shot those two low and right. So, not sure what I did there. Let's go ahead, and that's actually quite obvious now to me. I thought one of those was... Okay, so now I need to re-zero this for some reason. I don't know what happened. I'm guessing I pushed something wrong or something. I'd noticed there's an X and Y axis, and I had noticed something had changed. It had reset that X and Y axis, and I thought maybe once you zero it, it reset it. I don't know what happened. Well, this is growing pains, learning how to use something. Try this again. This was going to end up being a 3-shot group, I guess. My apologies there. See how we did. All right, so those look pretty good. And the zero process is actually quite easy. I think I went through and I think I had reset it by accident, messing with a couple of the other settings. So I think that was just me being new. I don't think we lost zero or anything like that. I think I had accidentally kind of messed things up there. For whatever reason, we only got 4 of those on our lab radar, but we averaged 2596 feet per second with an 8 SD. So happy with that. That looks good. Okay, gonna push on up here. We should have our optic sighted in. We're kind of learning how to use it here. Which, that's why I'm not making a video right away, like about the optic. I want to use it a little bit, get your guys' opinion. I want to see what the footage looks like, you know, see the quality and things like that, and, you know, see how things go. So next group here, same bullet, Sierra Mash King, just more powder. Okay, so not terrible. Our brass really looks okay. We're going to be at our top charge here in a second. We got 4 on that one too for some reason. We had 2626 with a SD of 11.4. One thing, I don't know if you guys can see it in our reticle, but we have a inclinometer in there, both for horizontal and vertical. So that's kind of neat, so no need for a level on this. And then we also have a rangefinder. So see how we get 93 meters? I don't know how many yards that is, but we'll fool with that here in a second. Top charge here. Okay, never mind. Okay, so that looked like a feeding issue, but it's really an extraction issue. My wonderful Savage here. Alright, so as you can see, these did group okay. That group in the middle there, that first group we shot, which I guess it is only 3 shots, looked good, and then things kind of started to wander around a little bit on us. Now again, I don't have a lot of experience with this optic. I'm just now, first times using it. So tell me what you guys think about, your picture quality and things like that. Picture quality for me, it's not really anywhere near kind of what I'm used to seeing. I'm usually looking through a high-powered optic. I've been using a lot of the Schmidt and Bender, which is 10 to 60. So with 20 zoom, it's not ideal for me. And then again, it's just the reticle to me is just a little hard to see at this power. I'd like it to be a little more zoomed in for me. But anyway, this is just my first kind of adventure with this. And again, where this is really going to shine is hopefully going to be at night anyway. But, looks like this bullet was okay, right? It was trying to shoot. Again, this is a cheap barrel, no name barrel, know nothing about it. And we got some really good velocity there at 2656. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Comment down below what you think. Obviously, you saw a different view than what you usually see. This is straight through this Zulus 5 to 20. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.